Today I'm shopping at the Dollar Tree. Summer's around the corner and Dollar Tree is now pulling in these $5 clogs in black, pink, and white. And Dollar Tree also now carries these rakes and gardening tools. My Dollar Tree finally brought back in these 10 LED fairy lights after 2 years. And new to my Dollar Tree, they have these hanging light bulbs that are filled with fairy lights and are battery operated. They come in black, silver, and gold. And if you're having some sort of party and having some kids over, then this section is excellent for you, especially if you have kids at home. Then there's these bubble machines for outdoors, or even this archery set that I was eyeing. Speaking of kids, if you have even smaller ones like babies or toddlers, then this section is for you. They have these snack containers now, as well as bottles ranging from newborns to 3 years old. So there are a couple different styles and types. Most of them are BPA free, except for this Angel of Mine brand. But I'm rather impressed with how many Disney brands that they have on shelf. And in that same section, I found that they now sell toothbrush and toothpaste kits for 6 to 24 months. This is good for training. It claims to be fluoride free, as well as no artificial flavors and safe if swallowed. It comes in berry and strawberry flavored for those interested. Dollar Tree also sells these solar powered flowers. I saw them in purple, yellow, and red. My Dollar Tree has a huge selection of various placemats that I think would be great for kids or just any family or any kind of gathering, or just for your own home, just individually. There are so many, it's hard to actually look through every single one, so I would browse through your own Dollar Tree if you're looking for placemats for your place. And above that I saw these doilies. And in the same aisle I was able to find these parchment papers liners for your air fryers for those that have them, and they do come in 2 different sizes. And my Dollar Tree now sells these bubble tea straws in a 50 pack for those that love making them themselves. This taper holder paired with this candle holder would make a beautiful and simplistic centerpiece that's very classic and elegant. These stemless wine glasses are new to my Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this look and this little bit of transparent blue. And for $10, this 11-piece party serving kit was new to my Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.